Today, we're diving into the mystical world of crystals and astrology.
If you've ever wondered how to align your astrological energies with the power of crystals, then this video is for you.
We will explore which crystals resonate best with each sign and how you can use them. Crystals have been used for centuries as tools for healing and spiritual growth. Each crystal holds a unique vibrational frequency, making them powerful allies in enhancing the energies of your astrological sign. By choosing the right crystals, you can amplify your strengths, balance your challenges, and align more closely with your astrological chart. How to choose crystals based on your zodiac sign. Let's explore which crystals resonate best with each zodiac sign. Remember, these suggestions are just a starting point. Trust your intuition and choose the crystals that call to you. Aries. As a fiery, dynamic sign, Aries benefits from the grounding energy of red jasper and the calming properties of amethyst. Taurus. The earthy Taurus is well suited for rose quartz to open the heart and green aventurine for luck and prosperity. Gemini. To balance Gemini's dual nature, citrine enhances the communication while agate stabilizes and grounds their energy. Cancer. Moonstone connects Cancer to their ruling planet, the moon, while selenite helps to cleanse and protect their sensitive energy. Leo. Tiger's eye boosts Leo's confidence and courage, while carnelian enhances their creative flair. Virgo. Amazonite brings calm and balance to Virgo's meticulous nature, and peridot encourages growth and abundance. Libra. For harmony and balance, lapis lazuli helps Libra communicate effectively, while rose quartz promotes love and compassion. Scorpio. Obsidian protects Scorpio's intense energy, while malachite supports transformation and emotional healing. Sagittarius. Turquoise aids in spiritual growth and protection for Sagittarius, and blue topaz enhances their communication and clarity. Capricorn. Garnet supports Capricorn's ambition and drive, while smoky quartz helps them release stress and stay grounded. Aquarius. Amethyst enhances Aquarius's intuition abilities, and aquamarine encourages clarity and emotional balance. Pisces. Amethyst also suits Pisces by enhancing their spiritual connection, while jade brings peace and balance to their sensitive nature. How to use crystals in your astrological practice. Now that you know which crystals align with your zodiac sign, let's talk about how to use them in your astrological practice. Number 1. Meditation. Hold your crystal during meditation to align your energy with its vibrational frequency. This can help deepen your connection with your astrological sign. Crystal grids. Create a crystal grid on your birth chart. A crystal grid on a birth chart is a practice that combines astrology and crystal healing to amplify specific intentions or energies related to your astrological profile. This practice is believed to enhance your personal growth and help you align more closely with your astrological energy. Number 3. Wearable talismans. Wear your chosen crystal as jewelry to keep its energy close to you throughout the day. This is especially effective if you want to enhance a particular aspect of your astrological chart. Number 4. Sleep with crystals. Place your crystal under your pillow or by your bedside to absorb its energy while you sleep, particularly during significant astrological events like the new moon or a full moon. Manifestation rituals. Use crystals during manifestation rituals to amplify your intentions, especially during potent astrological transits like eclipses or retrogrades. Caring for your crystals. To keep your crystals working at their highest potential, it's important to cleanse and charge them regularly. You can do this by cleansing. Run your crystals under cool water, use smoke from sage, or place them in a bowl of sea salt. Charging. Leave them out under the full moon to recharge, or place them in the sunlight if the crystal is not sensitive to light. By maintaining your crystals, you ensure they continue to serve your astrological practices effectively. Crystals are a beautiful and powerful way to enhance your connection to the cosmos. Whether you're a seasoned astrologer or just beginning your journey, incorporating crystals into your practice can bring a deeper sense of balance and harmony into your life. Let the energy of the stars and the crystals guide you to a place of calm and tranquility. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to Calm Vibes Utopia, where we explore ways to bring more relaxation and balance into your life.